welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video we are doing a clean with me video. So I have lots to get done around the house today. So if you are needing some motivation to get something done, you have definitely come to the right place, and I'm excited to take you guys along today.
Your body shivered like an autumn leaf. I try to stay on my feet when you move a little closer to me. I can't breathe in. Your love is all I ever need. Taking me going. It's time to let you know how I feel. 'Cause you're the one I dream about when I fall asleep. When I wake up in the morning, you're the first thing on my mind. There is no one else. Oh baby, it's you. If you're there when I'm here, I don't know what I could do to feel you. It's unreal to be a part in my heart.
So in the bathroom today, we're going to clean the mirror, of course, wipe down the sinks, also clean the toilet. And then I don't tackle the shower today, but I am definitely on the lookout for purchasing something that'll make cleaning the shower a little bit easier. I know a lot of people use the electric brush. So if you have any recommendations, definitely let me know down below, because I am on the lookout to find something a little bit easier to tackle the shower a little bit more often, because as of right now I do it whenever I have the energy to do it, just because it is very tedious. So definitely let me know down below. So to clean the toilet today, I'm just using a toilet bowl cleaner along with the toilet bowl wand. And I just purchased those from Target. And then I'm also using the disinfectant spray. I think it's the Method brand. And I'm just using paper towels to wipe the toilet down. So next we are in the laundry room. It was really disarray. So I just really wanted to clean everything up, wipe the cabinet down, and then also vacuum and mop in this area. such a beautiful day outside. It really encouraged me to get things done, and I really wanted to tackle it super fast just because I wanted to be outside. But yes, it was definitely really, really nice. I don't know, something about nicer weather, and you know that spring is in the air and summer's on its way definitely motivates me. I hope it motivates you to start tackling things within your house and just giving yourself a nice reset. You'll always feel better afterwards. And for me, it just, I don't know, it helps my mental health. So if you struggle with, mental health issues or anxiety or depression or anything like that, definitely try to, don't give yourself way too much to do, but maybe set 3 different tasks throughout the day to get something done, and you'll definitely feel so much better afterwards.
No breaks, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the land.
In the kitchen today, I just wanted to tidy everything up. I had a lot of different stuff on the countertop that needed to go to different locations within the house. So I wanted to go ahead and get that done and then wipe everything down. And I'm using the Granite method cleaner. I really like it, honestly. I didn't have my all-purpose cleaner because it was in Lee's car because I had tackled my mom's house the day before, so I used it at her house. But so I ended up having to use Granite cleaner for pretty much all the surfaces, and honestly it didn't do too bad. So I'm definitely not encouraging that, but I pretty much just had to use what I had. I didn't have any clean microfiber cloths, so I also just used paper towels today, which I normally don't do because it's definitely wasting a lot of them. But for today, I had to change it up.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our meant to be.
So in the living room today, I just really wanted to tidy the couch, and then also I needed to wipe down the coffee table. I need to vacuum, and I wanted to fold that blanket as well. So just definitely doing like a basic clean in here. And then I also wanted to change up the decorations a little bit on the coffee table. I just can't quite figure it out, so I'm constantly changing it at the moment. So definitely wanted to get that done as well.
You got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip. Souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake. Stars are in line. I'm posted. Lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. We can let them stare at it. out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Time is right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. I love the things we do.
If you guys are enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel here. I post on cleaning, organizing, laundry motivation, anything to inspire you to get something done within your house. If you are needing that type of motivation in your life right now, you'll definitely love it here, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community here.
No more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me something to work with, can you just reassure me? I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart, hurt disguised as strength, but it's self-sabotage my love, self-sabotage my love, cause of my own pain. No one's coming to save you, baby girl. You got to save yourself. Hey, save your baby girl.
So I have definitely been using my wet vac a lot more than I actually used it in the apartment. I don't know, I guess it's because it's such a bigger space to clean. So I'm going to wet vac the entire living room. I did tackle the bathrooms, didn't show that, but I did that last as well. So I haven't actually even brought out my old cedar mop since I actually cleaned the house when we first moved in. So I definitely need to bring that out. The old cedar mop definitely helps get the baseboards, get into the crevices and stuff like that. But just for today, we're gonna go ahead and use the wet vac to get everything done.
You can't live here no more. No more, no more, no more. 'Cause I'll convince myself that I don't want what I really want. I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart, hurt disguised as strength. My love, root of my own pain. No one's coming. Save your baby girl. Hey, you got to save yourself. No one's coming. Save your baby girl. Hey, yeah, you got to save yourself. Save yourself. I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me something to work with, can you just read it?
I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I hope it inspired you to get something done, whether that's to just make your bed or to simply do maybe 2 or 3 tasks on your list. Definitely be proud of yourself and just know that small steps lead to big results. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Sabotage my love.